Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your Instagram font. Alright, so let's say you don't want this font over here, so my Vichy Kevin, let's say I don't want this font, I want a different font saying Vichy Kevin. I can change it, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that in today's video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want this step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? So the first step is make sure you go to your browser, and on your browser you search for IG fonts. Alright, IG space fonts. After you search for IG space fonts over here, what you want to do is scroll a bit down and go on versus instafonts.io. Alright, so make sure to click on it, and it's gonna take you to this website. Now over here, once you're in this website, at the top you can see type or paste some text. You want to click on it and you want to write whichever thing you want. So I want to change Vichy Kevin, so I'm gonna write Vichy Kevin over here. So after you write the thing which you want, you can see all the different types of font over here. You can copy whichever font you want. So to copy the font which you like, at the side of the font you can see a little paper looking icon or like a clipboard looking icon. You want to click on it. So I want this font, so I'm going to click on over here. Once I click on it, I see the tick mark. Once you see the tick mark, it means you have copied it. Once you copied it, you want to open your Instagram and go on versus profile at the bottom of your screen and click on edit profile. On an edit profile versus name, you can go on your name and then cross your name and then paste the new name over here, as you guys can see with this font. Now I can click on done. Now remember, you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So once you change your name, you can only change it once within 14 days. Alright, otherwise you need to wait for 14 days. So make sure you want this and click on done and wait for some time. It's loading. Click on done at the top again. It's gonna load for some time again. And as you guys can see, my Instagram's name has changed and I have changed its font. So yeah, that's how you guys can change your Instagram's font. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step? I'll see you guys in the future video. Bye bye.